ahah, rootslastega. Aga rootslased koos bulgaarlastega või?
Ei.
Sest nad praegu rootslased võtavad käsi kolmast, ma arvan. Meil on aeg, jah? Suule on.
Yes,
because of the Buggerini's
Yes,
flight has been
yes,
performed.
yes, yes.
So we will start at the doorstep. You can have a phone. We will start at the doorstep at 12:45. And then the second one is at the doorstep. We can actually four of you.
Welcome. Nice to meet you. Sorry for a little delay.
Yesterday we came from Kazakhstan.
Right. Everything is done.
So, thank you for the invitation. That's okay. The topic is very important and very interesting.
There. Welcome.
Hi, nice to
Welcome.
see you.
Hi, nice to see you.
Thank you, Michael Bates.
Sorry for
Very good to see you, Michael Bates.
Good to see you. Thank you. What an amazing place this is. It's, what is it?
It's actually from the pulp plant. We converted it into a sort of convention center as a black box.
Hello.
How are you?
Welcome to Bulgari Hotel.
Good to be here.
Sorry for a little delay.
Happy to.
Sorry for our delay. Hotta? Thank you.
Had a good discussion with Ulla Palo.
Welcome to
How are you?
Hotel. Fine, thank you.
I'm already using the.
Yeah. The light should be, yes. Please.
I'm already wearing the presidency tie. It's probably special to be here.
Probably equipped with the presence to
Absolutely.
great to have you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hello, welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. Welcome. Sorry, doctor. Sorry for the delay.
Long time no see. How are you? Welcome to Estonia. After the door from the left. Which way do I go? Well, first let's have a photo.
Thank you.
Some proof that you're here. Let's go to the Claro and see you in just a couple of days. Thank you. Right. Let's have a look.
Absolutely. Especially in Italy, so
Great.
wish you a very successful
Thank you very much.
continuation of your presidency.
Thank you very much. I hope that we'll be able to. Nice weather.
Thank you.
My name is Thomas here.
Yes.
Stairs.
Very nice to be here.
Very good to have you.
For your hospitality. We already had a tour this morning. It's great.
It's quite nice weather as well.
I understand that it's been raining for a while,
For
but
4 minutes it was off. It's clearing up a little bit.
that's exactly.
That's development.
Yeah, exactly. Well, great to be here. Thank you.
Thank you very much. See you.
Okay.
Great to have you.
This is why she asked me to apologize for not being here, but she was stuck in the flight from Istanbul to Frankfurt.
Where is she sitting?
Good morning. Good afternoon. How are you? Thank you for the sun.
Thank you.
After the door
Sorry for
left,
our
please.
delay.
Hello. Good afternoon. Peter Lansky from Austria.
Warm regards to Sebastian Kurz. Thank you that you took care of our house. Thank you for looking after us. Fantastic as always. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
See you in a bit.
welcome.
Thank you.
This coffee there. See you in a
Welcome. Thanks.
delegates at the door to the left.
How are you?
Great to have you. Thank you very much. Weather is very good, hopefully, so I'm looking for private walking.
Good morning. Morning, Ambassador. Mr. President, Mr. Minister, good morning.
Second.
See you again. You know.
How are you?
Welcome to Puerto Rico.
Mr. Minister.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
Great to have you.
Well, great to have you. But it's cancer was thank you for the topic. It's great. Compared to
Welcome. Glad to have you here. And this is the meeting.
Great to have you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
You have the first.
No. Welcome. Good afternoon.
Again, congratulations.
See you later.
See you.
Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Welcome.
This is perfect.
Is it visible? Sorry.
Can you hold it for a second, please? Disturbing the ceremony.
Thank you.
Thanks for Estonian hospitality.
Weather permitting.
But this is perfect.
Today it's perfect.
Thank you so much.
So my name is Thomas Kersk. There will be now a photo opportunity. Actually, it's an old station. Also reaching conventional facilities.
Okay, you have many guests to meet, I'm sure, so I'll see you in there.
See you in a minute. Delighted to have you. See you.
Hello, welcome again. Very important person. Oh, welcome.
Thank you. That's good.
Yes.
See you.
Welcome again.
Thank you.
Minister.
Good afternoon. I
Good
didn't leave.
afternoon. Yeah, I know that. I know that. I hope you enjoyed it today.
Good afternoon. Great to see you again. Spend the weekend. Yes, we'll stay here.
Kuule, jah.
The universities.
It's a mix of
No selge, et on tehtud. No selge.
Hästi. Everything will be okay. It's a pleasure. Thank you.
be here.
Okay. Thank you for welcoming us. Welcome from France. Okay.
Great to have you.
So, it's an important semester for you.
Indeed.
Yeah, because last week you had Foreign Minister.
Right. Thursday and Friday. And then Wednesday we had also the defense ministers in the joint session.
So, thank you very much. See you.
See you in a minute. Thank you. Thank you for seeing here.
Sorry for a little delay, but now we are about.
Yes, okay. Yes. Oh.
How are you? Fine, yes. Absolutely. Thank you very much for the warm welcome.
Okay,
Thank you. See you.
see you in some minutes. Picture.
I see.
So now we have a.
Oh, sun. Development costs.
Welcome. Good to have you.
So,
exactly in the same position as
That's
last
lovely.
week.
Thank you.
I'm sorry to be delayed. This time it's me coming in and very late. I'm so sorry for that. The plane was terribly late. Yes, yes. Take a photo. Wait, I'll move things here. Strange. There are so many. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello again. See you. You already know.
See you. Thank you. Sorry for the small delay we have.
Thank you.
Good.
Minority.
Last one.
I think so, yes. Now we have full numbers.
Okay.